Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode in WhatsApp. It's quick, easy and looks great, especially at night. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app installed on your phone. You can download it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Then, open WhatsApp and log into your account. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner if you are on Android or go to the bottom menu if you are on iPhone. Then tap Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Chats. This is where you can customize your chat appearance and themes. Now tap on Theme. You will see two options, light and dark. Choose dark, then tap OK. And that's it, your WhatsApp is now in dark mode. Super easy, right? That's how you switch WhatsApp to dark mode in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quick guides.